Hello,
Hello, teacher.
what's your name?
My name is Nhiên.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I really like reading books. I like comics book the best. I feel like exciting when I'm reading books.
Do you prefer eating out or cooking at home?
I think I will eat cook at home because it's safely and clean.
City or countryside?
Thing is countryside because it don't have cars or motorbike.
What is the best thing about your hometown?
My hometown are kind, peaceful, and have so many people are good looking.
Are computers important to you?
No, I think I will study more than playing computers.
Very good. Thank you, Nin.